I knew myself, like when
Oh my God.
Jesus, you couldn't see out the door of the window. The window when you came in. Yeah, but this is the same something happened here.
Branches hit the window.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, hang on. They've cut down most of them. I want to get that. This poor house over here was hit. Hey, look in the tree. What's that in the tree? There's no parking down there, so I can't go down there. That is mad. My sister was saying it looks like a dead cow up there. But no one, someone said there was a lady hurt. Oh, I have to get. Holy crap. Just a line of destruction. And see, the sheds were twisted in the trees, like some of them. And there's a house we got. Mad. We knew we weren't going because we were saying, "Oh my God, Aiden's missing this." For people to say that this was not a tornado, look at that. Jesus, the size of those trees. Just a line of destruction. So poor folks mill. We're after seeing a good few sorry, just focus. Let's bring it again. And you can see this old debris, a wheelie bin over there. Look at that fruit. I just thunder forecast, so I'm getting out of this field. Shit. I should have worn my. So I went across that field. These men are working hard to clear everything for use. So some have been working all night. Poor old trees. I'm going to say it again. But the people who said this wasn't a tornado, there's no way. Hiya, how are you?
Go down there the whole yard to get the big ball.